Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today SBEV just filed an amendment to a material agreement, and I am seeing one key expansion that could change their game. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. Splash Beverage Group is expanding its licensing deal for CannEpil to include veterinary users, and this could be a significant move for their business. So Splash Beverage Group Incorporated, or SBEV as it is known on the stock market, has made an interesting update to a license agreement. This filing is essentially an amendment, a sort of addendum, to a deal they already had for something called CannEpil. Think of it like adding a new chapter to a book they were already writing. The original agreement was about licensing this CannEpil product, and now they are expanding it. The big news here is that they have added veterinary applications to the use of CannEpil. This means they are not just looking at human uses anymore, but also for animals. This is a pretty significant shift because it opens up a whole new market that was not previously covered. It is like suddenly discovering a new continent for your business. On top of that, they have also adjusted the royalty rates, which are the payments they have to make to the licensor Argent Biopharma Limited. For veterinary applications, the royalty rate will be 10% of the net revenue, and for human applications, it will be 15%. They are also extending some of the deadlines related to this agreement. To go along with this filing, Splash Beverage Group also put out a press release on the 29th of July 2026, making sure everyone knows about this expansion. The press release basically echoes what is in this filing, highlighting the move into veterinary applications for CannEpil. Honestly, this is the kind of proactive communication you want to see when a company is making a strategic pivot or expansion. Now let's briefly touch on the company's stock. As we know, SBEV has had a pretty volatile ride, trading at very low prices. Looking at their current price of around 32 cents and a 52-week range that has been as high as $13.4, it really shows how much fluctuation there can be. Recent news also mentions a reverse stock split, which is a move companies often make to push their share price up and avoid being delisted. Historically speaking, reverse splits can be a bit of a mixed bag. Companies like Kodak saw significant drops after their reverse splits, and Sears and Radio Shack had multi-round splits before facing bankruptcy. It is generally a cautionary signal, with about half of microcap companies that do reverse splits eventually getting delisted. For SBEV, this expansion into veterinary medicine could be a way to justify a higher valuation or even avoid that fate. The news about dogs leading their new veterinary program is a catchy headline, but it underscores the focus on animal health. This strategy of tapping into the pet market, particularly for specialized products like CannEpil, could be a smart move. The pet industry has shown remarkable resilience and growth, and companies are increasingly looking for ways to serve this segment. If CannEpil proves effective for animals, it could significantly boost Splash Beverage's revenue streams. The addendum itself, filed as Exhibit 10.1, is the official document detailing these changes, while the filing summarizes the key points like expanding the field of use to veterinary applications, adjusting royalty rates to 10% for veterinary and 15% for human use, and extending deadlines. The full details and legal language are within this exhibit. This is where you would find all the nitty-gritty about how this agreement will function moving forward. The filing is signed off by Brady Cobb, Interim Chief Executive Officer. This indicates leadership is steering the company in this new direction. With a market cap of only $2 million and just a handful of employees, this strategic expansion is crucial for SBEV. It is a high stakes maneuver for a company of its size, and the success of this veterinary program will likely be a major determinant of its future. Now, looking at these developments more broadly, Splash Beverage Group is clearly trying to find new avenues for growth. The move into veterinary applications for CannEpil represents a significant gamble, but one that could pay off handsomely if the market responds positively. The company is making a calculated bet on a growing sector, and the adjusted royalty structure suggests a commitment from both sides. My biggest concern is whether SBEV has the resources and execution capability to truly capitalize on this new market. The risk I am watching is their ability to scale this veterinary program effectively and generate substantial revenue from it, especially given their small size and the broader market challenges they have faced. What I am actually looking